Oof. Hi, Lara, how are you? I'm so tired. It's been such a long day, and I am so hungry. Lara, can you make me something to eat? Oh, well, how are we gonna cook the food, Lara? How are we gonna cook the food? You know what? I have a great idea, Lara. I got you a surprise. And you know what? It's going to be perfect to cook some food together. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, let's see what the magic box brought us. It's the magic box brought us a present. Oh, wow, so cool. This is a microwave playset. Oh, wow. Okay, Lara, we can cook together, but you know what is so important when we cook together is we learn about everything, okay? We always have to learn, and it's perfect for your age because you're almost 3. Okay, I know you're so excited. Yeah, let's open it. Let's open it. Let's open it up. We have to open it. Are you ready? Oh, what? Oh! What's that? This is a teal skillet. A teal skillet. I'm gonna put that here. A teal skillet. Oh, yeah. A teal microwave. Oh, it's such delicious food. Oh, after a long day of work, I'm so hungry. Ketchup, orange juice, and natural beverage. Oh, delicious. Oh, wow. This is so cool. We have a ladle and 2 knives. Oh, what's that? That's the best. Okay. Yeah, open. All right, let's get the microwave open. Okay, look at this, Lara. Look, we have 4 to make croissant. We have the hamburger, pizza, fish, chicken. Oh, so delicious food. So we're gonna open up all of our stuff and we're gonna put it all out here. We're gonna put all of our stuff out here on our frozen table. Our strainer. Oh, wow. Are ready to cook in the microwave. Cook in the microwave. It's a croissant, Lara. A croissant. Okay, so we're gonna put the croissant in here and we're gonna go like this. Toot, 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 toot. Croissant. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, wow, the croissant is ready. You wanna try it? Oh, is it delicious? So delicious. What are you putting in? Oh, wow, that's the chicken. Okay, which one do you have to press for the chicken? Hit this one, and then you have to start it. Chicken, and then start. The start button. Chicken, start. All right, it's ready. Gotta put the meat in there for the hamburger. Okay, we have to press the button for the hamburger. Press it. Oh, wow. Okay, it's starting. All right, the hamburger's all done. Okay, what do we have to do? Okay, Lara, we have to put together the hamburger. Okay, this is the top of the hamburger, and then we have to put some lettuce. Oh no, we forgot the cheese. We can't forget the cheese. Oh, and ketchup, and mustard. Ketchup. Oh, I can't forget ketchup on the hamburger. Look, Lara. Oh, our food is almost done. It's the hamburger, Lara. You want a bite? Oh, is it delicious? It's delicious. Oh, wow. But you have to be careful. Okay, are you cutting the chicken? Oh, be careful. I'm glad that's a pretend knife because that's not for little girls. You have to ask Daddy. Daddy has to cut it for you, okay? Okay. Okay, I cut the chicken. It's all ready for you. You want to cook the chicken? Whoa, we're gonna cook the chicken. Cooking the chicken. So cool. Look at that. What's that? It's a hot dog. We're gonna put it in. Which is the hot dog button? I think it's this one. We're gonna put that one for the hot dog. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, it's ready. You want a bite of the hot dog? Ah. Oh, wow. So delicious. Oh, we forgot to put ketchup on the hot dog. It's delicious? What? This is our pot. We can make soups. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? Orange juice, that is delicious. Oh, wow, this can go over here with our plates. And, okay, so our knife and our fork, and another fork for Dad, thank you. Oh, we have our knife and fork, thank you. Oh, that's the top for our soda. Oh, delicious, there's a soda for each of us. Thank you. That looks like Sprite. Okay, wow. Yeah, that's for cooking. We can use this if we wanted to cook some pasta. We could use the strainer to get the water out of the pasta. Wow, I'm so full after eating that. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm so full after eating that hamburger, Lara. Thank you so much. Oh, wow, you forgot the croissant. Oh, the croissant's here. Oh, that's delicious. You're welcome. You're so welcome. I love the croissant. I love the chicken. I love the hot dogs and hamburgers. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, some orange juice to wash this down. That's silly. Orange juice is the most delicious and healthy drink ever. Oh, wow. OJ. And ketchup. Yay! Here you go. Do you want some hamburger?
Okay.
You're welcome. Oh, do you want a soda with that? Yeah. Take a drink of your Sprite. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Dad will cut the chicken. Then cut the chicken, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Oh, you're cutting your hamburger. Uh-oh, what color? Look, we have the brown hamburger bun with the seed. We have the yellow mustard, and we have the red ketchup, and a white cheese with the brown hamburger, the green lettuce, and the brown bottom of the hamburger bun. How about we put the whole hamburger in there, make sure it's good and cooked, okay? Okay, there we go. Okay, oh, very good. Okay, now we have to wait about 30 seconds and it's gonna be all heated up and take out the hamburger. Yay!
Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. Take it all out so you can eat it and put it on your yellow plate. There you go, there's your hamburger on your yellow plate with your red knife. Yeah, with your red knife and fork and your green soda. Green soda with your orange croissant. Orange croissant and your orange juice. Wow, so cool. You're welcome. Oh, it's an orangish brown chicken. An orangish brown chicken and a pinkish hot dog on an orangish brown bun. So many colors. That's silly. Well, Lara, I am so tired. It's been so much fun, Lara, learning all of the colors with you and cooking and eating. It's been so much fun, but it's time. I'm so tuckered out, but it's time to go to bed. Are you ready? Go to sleep. Bye. 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 Bye.